Just installed a brand new well booster pump, a new pressure switch, a new gauge. There wasn't a single one-way check valve on this system. I installed a one-way check valve. I installed a union there to be able to access this. The shutoff valves every single location, another union to be able to remove my booster pump. I have a whole house filter that's to 5 microns. I have shutoff valves to be able to bypass this and still have water to my whole house. And then it goes to my sanitization water softener, and then it goes to my UV whole home treatment system, and I have a union on each end there as well to be able to remove this tube if necessary, and I have shutoff valves where necessary to be able to bypass and still have water to the whole house. A union there where necessary, and there where necessary to remove whatever, whenever. And shut off valves everywhere to access everything. This is the proper way